Here we come to the elevator at the Underwood Law Library at Southern Methodist University in Dallas, Texas. It's an old vintage Otis black button from 1969, and this is going to be what I call a Good Friday take in honor of the Lord Savior Jesus Christ, who was crucified on the cross. And being that we have to have silence, this will be a perfect chance to get a full silent take. Listen to the motor. Let's ride. Here we go. B's locked, so take it for one ride. And that was a Good Friday silent take of this elevator. That'll be it. Thanks for watching. See you guys on Easter.